Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to track income and expenses in your Google Sheets. Now as you can see, we already have a template, so this template will be linked down below in the description so you can download it and you can work with us. So as you can see, this is pretty much my company. You can see revenue, expenses, net cash flow, dividends released, retained earnings, opening balance and closing balance. Now this is pretty much the most I would say organized way of tracking income and expenses. So for example, as you can see down below, we have each month, January, February, March. So for example, if we go to January and if we type in here, we can also track expenses. As you can see, revenue, right? So let's say this is for our business or our personal. We can say okay, client one, right, paid, for example, I don't know, like paid 1,000, right? And this is pretty much in my currency. You can change your currency as well. You can pretty much change the currency by just going to the currencies and change the currency. As you can see, if we go to year summary, we can go that we have total revenue of 1,000, right? We can go to February and do the same, right? Let's say we have client one, and let's say the client paid us 1,000. Now this is 2,000 for the year summary. Now this is revenue, right? If we want to calculate the net cash flow, then we will have to pretty much go here to January. Let's say expenses, right? Let's say we needed to pay for website building, right? That cost us, let's say, $500, right? So right now, if you go to your summary, we can see that the net revenue or the net cash flow actually is 1.5K, right? 2,500, this is 1.5K, right? And this is pretty much how you can calculate your income and expenses and how you can track your finances through the whole year, right? And then after the whole year, in the December, you will see how much revenue you have, expenses, and what's your net cash flow, right? And you'll pretty much see the profits and everything. You can track this when it comes to business. You can track this when it comes to pretty much anything, right? And I would really like to thank to Iman Ghazi because this is his tracking and expense calculator. So he helped me a lot with this. And yeah, you can pretty much download this for free down below. It's basically a template that you can use. Obviously, you can change out the currency. And yeah, this is pretty much how to track your finances in Google Sheets for absolutely free.